Hello, hello! Today is New Year's Eve, so we're gonna go see some fireworks tonight. In order to go to the London fireworks, you have to purchase tickets. They're pretty cheap, they're I think £10 a piece. And we had to do that in advance because they sell out pretty early on. So we booked ours in August, and I think they were sold out by October, end of October. So you have to have those to even get into any of the 4 sections that they have reserved for fireworks. And if you're not in those, chances are you're not gonna have a good spot for viewing at all. So we have to get in between 7 p.m. and 9:30 p.m. and they recommend doing the earliest you can. So we'll try to get there at 7, which means we're gonna be standing and waiting around for a while. But based on what we saw on TV last year, it'll be well worth it. One really fun thing that we've noticed in London is that some of the door handles are in the middle of the door. Reminds me of some of those older movies. I think in Mary Poppins they have a door like that. We're on our way to go get some food and we came across a Banksy statue. Behind me is the pathway to Buckingham Palace. It's kind of a trek. So we have to walk all the way back here. As far as you can see back there, that's where we came from. Standing in front of Buckingham Palace. We just made it to the line to get into the blue area, which is what we are ticketed for, and it's insane here. There are 4 different areas that you can purchase tickets for. We like the blue area because it's right across from the London Eye, and we thought that would give us the best viewpoint, so we will see when the fireworks start. All right, we got through security, now we're gonna go get our tickets checked, and then we are in, and then we have 4 hours before midnight, so hopefully there's some food or something we can snack on to pass the time. We're through the entrance gates. After 2 security checks, we are finally in the ticketed area, and it is crazy here. I feel like I'm reporting as a news anchor.
Have a great New Year's, and I hope you guys have the best time ever. 2015 is now here in Europe, 2016. Boom!
The London Eye. I see the London Eye.
Last year, for 2015, we actually saw these fireworks on TV and we were like, these are epic. We have to see these in person, and so here we are this year. If you want to do something, you just do it. All right, we got our spot. Now we're gonna wait like 4 hours. At least the view is good. We're only 5 minutes away from 2016.
London, are you ready?
That was awesome.